So we'll wait for 1 minute for others to join. Just wait for 1 more minute. Most of you are joined. So yeah, so these are the some introduction about the three different types of operating system: DOS operating system, Windows, and Linux. So next thing we have to discuss is what are the major difference between the Linux operating system or Unix operating system and Windows operating system. Okay, the first difference is we will discuss with respect to the open source. Okay, if I say open source, Windows is open source and it is free for the use and it can be customized with the requirement as per the user. Now, if I say Windows, now Windows is a not an open source. For accessing Windows, you have to purchase it. Okay. Now, one more thing to remember: all open source software does not require any license. Yeah, जब भी आप install करोगे open source software को, it does not require any license. But whenever if it is not an open source software, if you purchase a software, then you require a license to access that access that software. Okay, even though the software is freely available, the setup file of the software is freely available, but to access the software, we required a license of that. ठीक है, अगर आप देखोगे विंडोज के डिफरेंट वर्जन विल बी अवेलेबल इन योर विंडोज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट साइट, बट एक्सेस करने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए, यू विल नीड ए key for that. Until unless you will have the key, you cannot access the non-open source file of purchase softwares. So this is the first difference you have to remember with respect to the open source. Second is case sensitive. Now Linux is a case sensitive. That means the alphabets which are in uppercase and lowercase both are different. But in case of Windows operating system, it is not a case sensitive. Fine. Third is kernel type. So Windows users are basically monokernels, whereas Linux users are basically monokernels, and Windows users are basically microkernel. So we will discuss this thing, monokernel and microkernel. So when we are discuss class में जब पढ़ेंगे हम लोग about kernel ना, okay, then I will discuss what you mean by microkernel and monokernel. Then efficiency of Linux operating systems. Linux operating systems are more efficient compared to the Windows operating systems because what is the reason? Because it is much more secure. So that is the reason it is more efficient. Whereas Windows operating system are less efficient compared to the Linux operating system. Okay, next one more thing what to remember regarding the Linux operating system. The file organization यहाँ पे नहीं है, एक आपको याद रखना है file organization. Now file organization of Linux operating system always start with a root node. There is a always root node. Then with respect to root node, all other files are organized in hierarchical manner. Hierarchical मतलब reverse tree based structure. Reverse tree based structure में आपका फाइल जो है आपका ऑर्गेनाइज होता है. Fine. But in Windows, there is a no concept of root node. There is a no concept of root node. ठीक है, अगर आप विंडोज में देखोगे, आप विंडोज में हम लोग जनरली पार्टीशन करते हैं, जो भी हम लोग का मेमोरी होता है, जनरली वी हैव पार्टीशन इन ड्राइव लाइक C, D and E. Fine. The memory can be partitioned and the files, the partition again C, D and are independent of each other. No, there is no dependent. The file can be organized in any manner. ठीक है, लेकिन whenever you organize the file in Linux environment, they follow some hierarchy. Hierarchy मतलब some level wise. Now the files will be organized in some level wise. Fine. There will be a starting node which is called root node. ठीक है, or root directory. Then all the other files will store with respect to the root directory. Root directory के बाद ही आपका सब कुछ आपका स्टोर होगा. That means there is only one drive. आपका एक ही ड्राइव होगा जहाँ पर आपका एंटायर मेमोरी एलोकेट होगा. फाइन, इज इट क्लियर? तो ये बेसिक डिफरेंस है लाइनक्स में, हाउ द फाइल इज ऑर्गेनाइज, ठीक है, और हाउ द डायरेक्टरी स्ट्रक्चर इज ऑर्गेनाइज. फाइन. Next is security. Security of the Linux environment is much higher or much secure compared to Windows, whereas security is less in compared to the Linux. Fine. So this is something about your introduction to Windows part. Okay, introduction to Windows part, and what are different types of Windows we are having, and what are the basic difference between your Linux and विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. ठीक है, तो अभी आपको क्या करना है, आई विल शेयर ए क्वेश्चन. ओके, देयर आर 3 क्वेश्चंस. ऑल ऑफ यू इज ऑडिबल? इज माय वॉइस इज ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir.
या,
Yes,
इन
sir.
LMS पोर्टल में अभी क्वेश्चन,
Yes, sir.
आई एम शेयरिंग 3 क्वेश्चंस. आई हैव टू write a solution for this question and upload it, and you have to upload it in LMS. Fine. Clear? So question is very much related to this. Question is like, first question is, what are the minimum hardware and software requirement for the Windows, DOS and Linux operating systems? ठीक है, Next question is differentiate between Unix and Windows operating system. Third question is explain the different steps that are involved while installing and Windows operating system. Clear? Is it clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm checking the
Yes, sir.
question. So all of you can access the LMS portal now. I'm sharing that question there and you have to upload that. Right? So any doubt regarding today's lab? So basically today's lab is you have to familiar with different types of operating system. Fine. So already आप लोग को तो Windows operating system के बारे में पता है, ठीक है? If you are having a laptop, so I do recommend to install Linux operating system or Unix operating system, so which is available freely. You can install in your laptop. And next important regarding today's class is what is the difference between Windows and Linux operating system. Fine. Okay, attendance भी नहीं create किया. So first let me share the question. So what we have to do now? You have to write the solution for this. Okay, clear. Now you have to write a solution for this and take a picture of that and convert it in PDF format and upload in LMS portal. Okay, the processor is also there. Then he will grade as you upload the PDF files. Sir will grade for today's lab. Okay, which consists of 40 marks. 10 marks for your assignment, sorry, 10 marks for attendance, and 30 marks for submitting the today's task. Is it clear to all of you? Yes, is it
Sir.
clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I just given the question, just write down the answer for you can use the any of the sources. You can use the internet or you can refer to the books. Okay, anything. But and thing is you must understand the basic knowledge. Fine. Okay, basic knowledge आपको पता होना चाहिए. This is not like that copy and paste. So, even though you're using the internet, just once go through that points, then write down. Fine. I will check once again.
Sir, do we have to?
Yeah. Go on.
Sir, do we have to submit by today?
Yeah, for today. Today before the time is 3:30, before 4:30. Okay. As I already discussed in earlier class, there will be in every lab there will be assessment. Okay, for the lab marks of 40 marks per class. ठीक है, हर लैब के एंड में उस लैब का असेसमेंट होगा, where I will going to giving the some task, so to finish the task within that time period and submit it. Fine. So is this okay, Purusta sir? Purusta sir,
Yes, sir. Hello.
okay. Purusta sir, I've just given the assignment for today's assignment. Okay. So I have
Okay.
instructed the student to upload within 4:30. So those who have uploaded 4:30, just grade them. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So let me save the attendance, today's attendance. So I just save the attendance. So make sure that those who are present in class, so you have to give the attendance. So any doubt regarding today's class? Yes. Any doubt?
Sir, where we have to submit the assignment?
You have to submit in LMS portal. Right? So I have created
sir.
that. The assignment is created. There you find the option for submit also. Okay.
Sir, submit
So
option is not available.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Let me check. ठीक है, मैं उसको अनेबल कर दूंगा. आप स्टार्ट कीजिए लिखना, मैं एडिट कर दूंगा.
So we have to write in page, practical
Anything.
page.
Either you not for time being, अभी के लिए आप कहीं लिखो, पेज में लिखो या कॉपी में लिखो, ठीक है. बट अगेन यू हैव टू राइट सेम थिंग इन योर लैब कॉपी. लैब कॉपी जब आपका खुलेगा कॉलेज, देन आई विल हार्ड कॉपी सबमिट होगा लैब कॉपी आपका. लेकिन फॉर टाइमिंग अभी आपको पेज में लिख के सबमिट करना, अभी के लैब के लिए. ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट लैब में क्या होगा, लैब कॉपी आप लेके आ जाना, जो भी लिखोगे लैब कॉपी में लिखना. ठीक है. अभी पेज में लिख लो, व्हाइट पेज में, और उसको अटैच कर देना, या फिर आप फिर से लिख सकते हो, अगर लिखना है तो फिर से लिखो, या फिर उसको लैब कॉपी में अटैच कर देना. क्लियर?
Okay, sir.
Not having the option of submit option.
Sir, I have uploaded the assignment actually in assignment format.
अच्छा सर,
Hello.
हाँ आपने अपलोड किया सर अभी?
हाँ, हम अभी किए एक असाइनमेंट फॉर्मेट में अभी अपलोड किए हम, वहाँ पे वो लोग सबमिट कर सकता है, वो फाइल हम डिलीट कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा ठीक है, तो उसको अपलोड कर दीजिए असाइनमेंट फॉर्मेट में।
ठीक है।
ठीक है। ओके, एनी डाउट और एनी डाउट? कोई डाउट है? So if there is no doubt, then we will stop our lab session here. Okay. So in the next lab session, so we will going to implement. So first we will discuss some of the basic concept of Unix system. Then we will going to implement some basic commands of Unix with the help of command line environment और DOS environment में. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम लोग बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ेंगे यूनिक्स का और कुछ बेसिक कमांड रिलेटेड टू फाइल्स, ठीक है, और रिलेटेड टू प्रोसेस दैट वी आर गोइंग टू इम्प्लीमेंट. फाइन. Okay, then thank you for your participation and to submit the assignment in time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.